Well, Edamina Masia to a age median so and be a BPJ Mobidrum on Adum TV multitudes. But Mamenko Sonka was on the 6th of March, the forecourt of multimedia, the Bro Fufu Party. This is the 3rd edition. I'm sure say will be a part of this great excitement. Adia Bakwa Mekoso Ameka or say Udom Kubi and na say Uwo Kefet Club bi and Ebia Tomanto Sima, Meko Hima, Kubi Hima, Baire Hima, Munibokuro. Mobile mo former chance with there. Yam Sellers Association, I'm with t-shirt. Then you know to Santere from a circle interchange straight to multimedia. Brian so Yakase. Yintimate as on mine. Emma a whole ne a manfrafo in Nuane a moon for your Nuane. So we are going back after 63 years. There was a J in Nuane amongst them no ye J and PC any a man can a cow, a guachi, ne fufu, ye jatu each MY. We are going back to our roots. The 3rd edition for full party said, make sure if it's about Adrianidia, it's about Ghana local foods. So on the 6th of March, Bekayo na the Masters Band be trying to come my I jump to Ford do now so be a part of this show. And now Fiji Median so cost na say number we be go a year with screen so now for sa number no. So we chop bow so you be only Jim so do ba family so ye e cool be so also so be TV ato santene abedu anima no say no so no now the account na bibia kokama na wafresa number no. Well, you better St Andrews College Ultimate Remedial School the one say one so question go so e bia so nko apese o chro on social be my last stop no bra wonya ntete ani addition papa won no wo ko chro on social no gidie ni say bibia be ko fine e dia ma won ko bata ni bi wo man kasim asemfosu ana afi sehwe asanye so frɛ 0244696911 and 0207891004. Now, one and once I were a healthcare, which is St Andrews College of Healthcare, one identity from Coma, 1 hour person a being for a war a year nest a human. Inti over friend number is 0244696911 and 0544830179. Mami Dagumba Unya Hoda in Rahodo Diaba Ijaso. They hear the capsules and they hear the herbal and they hear the macho capsules and they hear the herbal mixture and an ointment in so wow or kwanso kusukra. From 0242046783 and 0242712113 now the one to me and kasa. Oh, show the check where a the hear the herbal center war and cocoa. I mean that the whole Anna Obehu. I tell you much about a Jfamco Anafi a beer. As a cogentity, pa now Timber and Johnny Papa, and now your director, film director Papa, and now producer Papa, and now entity, cinematography, film directing, editing, broadcast journalism, animation, and the Kakaona. Nafti Disaquanyano, Abetuho, Eddie Amau, Emarifi, Shelenso, so on Nafti, Ebetusa, Abasa Kubno. In Perifortnassim, Deputy Minister, Information, era Nimyan for Pius, Enam Hajide, Atina Sansona. Era kwasi nimyan for kwasi bi say kanena oye machine bidwanima ahafo ano north ono so abeka yensa anope but you say no maybe them from na scholarship ana we ana say ana fasia. I got the privilege this morning to talk to the sector minister and Dimba app amongst other ministers Napo Matthew Poku Prempe, and this is what Okachiri. Well, I'm saying, whilst we wait for that clarification and that of others, no, then quickly back to studio. Na Edisa Enkomi. Deputy Mr. Kwaba.
Ofami Jusu.
Bibia Kama.
Nyamia Dong.
Ministries. And I'm Council Bibia.
Bibia.
You are churning out the best of information and any tainted with propaganda and partisanship.
There be. Me make I say, ye dimi every youth and sports, I dimi bar information. Asemba kwa. Omampinyi nanado kache ya nese yembo ejumapano emuderu na mpo esinto bi wo bibia ode no kre ene ahobrase ne ebuo edi chirechiremu edi maganafo a omo beti ase na enya de a ono be hye yen se ade no eye fita yen kan se eye tuntum be kaya mebe twemu na Minister of Information emha e ba bontin e ka kire district information officers omo da ho ye dwuma wo yehwe omo so but the charge to them is different. And tise yen no when this happen so a minister no catch the DIOs any IROs say ade no ye koche goat your friend saying odwan kra munka se eye nantwe na eye tuntum kra munka se efita wo yesa ende wodi nkotompo ne ndada ene buma no ensi wo yie but ye die yesi yembu nkunta no e wa no kredie mu mpo se bibi wo ho na sinto bakra na munfa enidie obuo ene humbrase munchirechire mu emfa maganafo na munsre ganafo mpo betumi di achemo ente no na yenye e Ministry of Information say
I see. So Yebeko Akwaba Mekum ni MP always proud to be part of the Bono Ahafo Society. They say the Aye Bono East and Ahafo. Correct. All Akwaba know what to say.
Nyankopon adom bibia yapomuye na bibia de nye bokosa.
Ade.
Oh. Mama hene. Sene enne omeya yebu eye binom de asene ebinom Ghana ha. Na titiri ifra Ashanti region na meba. Usa Ashanti 4 ana Ashanti man here 24. We should be a location wa West Africa 4 and the whole parts of country ni nyina so edidwa free Kumasi. And abambo ne eto ene enhye bone a gu Kumasi fo nyuma nyina ye ntwade a areho aka yen na ya dada yen free 2017 fa akwan ho ade bepem ne na ye daswa twa yen tro se ya ye nyuma nyina de amaye na ye kum ya de hye because of Galamsey na nso so se na aban mu mpanifo pam mobro wafo a omo nkrata se se omutu ene omo akogye no mu se tu e de hwe omo aho omo ahene we ye be de na ya setene maye
I see,
but ya pomu de adechi a agency
of Galamsey, is that the situation? Sana for unity that ye kum he for the kum ye
o man hene we mi so obo ase to unipa da sani to ten e ma ne to
o man wo how with Galamsey
ye wo how ye wo how
o man wo how ko ye ko atia Galamsey eno kwe
no kre
okay so to asem so
ye wo how se ye ko atia Galamsey o man hene media houses nyina gitu mu se Ghana fu nyina gitu mu se ye nsu wa ese ya ye hwe kwan a omo tu agudi enye no kwan so a omo se no na ebisia no taban di bae o ma hene mu amoka ho bi multimedia fo eyi adwuma ya ma ne koy se na enye sa nete na me kan asem bi to ho dana na o mampanyini ene na pamfo be kan ne se Galamsey ye nyaye ti o me kan asem we ye nyaye omu bie na me se ye nyaye na obi abeka se ye bi afei na ya san se ye bi efi se ye kan se amanfo nko fie na no ena aban mu mpanyifo na omo tumi na omo wo asoja fo e bitima makọ gaade ba bi omo bitu no ekọ ye ndise wonim na ye mobro wa wo krata ampo se wutu na kokotu dia ufa ba bi omo etu na no ho ba bi a ni abuchu wonim se soja ni mapa ye nyina menka ebusia ya mejoma ma wu ya because of Galamsey na ye ko ti Ghana fo de asem da so ye yakoma mu ya se ne yakoma papa na omampanyi de ya na manfo nyina di na chi na ye nim da se na o yesa na wo dia pesika e dia ye ne party na manyoku
okay but e kokoro no be ba se enya dia odo se reform ni ma ka bibia ye di ye nkomo NDC ba e dia nsonko na mo beye a ebe me eda di se ampa bokokopa no ye ntwa sa mfie nwotwe mu nkwi nwotwe mo mode mo anso aniti ana edu si nkyai enemo presem baba tumi e ba mo tumi mo ba dia na mo ye nsonko a be ma Galamsey ni etima dawo fa
o man ne di nkan Galamsey na people alambu ni nyina wo mo won krata ye ta de brofudi na mo small scale minu ya yini small scale fo nyina mfidie nyina ya jeje se ne o mo koche na atu a de atutu atuko no NDC ba wo mo kura nkrata no aban di nani bedi akira hwese emra ne hye ne wo heso mo de ye adwuma no omo de ye adwuma
ede na ye NDC akwansidie mfie nwotwe atwam no se o montumentu sa na mo na enne o mo gina tumi o mo gidi so betime tu sa na mo
o ma hene nanu ye ya communication team no call Western region.
I want to know me be this alcohol because
The entire say ye di no say
because clear it defeats the purpose of fighting galamsey. If you say say what continue baby fie nwotwe. Na want me answer say issue. So what person fan on the surface no be the fie nine a share bo. Ne boche no kra want say what odi issue so odi issue say aye issue say nya ni issue say ye ho adwiri with nyoma ebo pire mu ba no. Eno no and yen kan wase but obi ukoye sape na etwe ye kwa etwe asoman if say what na won fie nwotwe
enye press conference ni nyina na meka na ka me yi baabi amanfo no kasae 2016 no obi say e ha na ye gu asew chese no otimi yi nam wo nsuo na ye sansuo wa ha
chese na emuda
amanfo no o mahene videos no lie
na say emuda ho to wase
emuda ho nti no otimi ye ba ne e ya teche
asai kra
wọ́n sẹ́ nsusunyẹ́ náà ẹ̀dá nìyẹn ní mìínú no ẹ̀mìrẹ́ a small scale for àná ọmọ àná ọmọ wọn kráta no yẹn mpam wọ̀ mo no yẹn mpam wọ̀ mo no yẹn mpam wọ̀ mo no na nsuo no uhunu nsuo no yẹyi nam wọ̀ mu di ẹ̀na na nya atẹ̀kyẹ́ nso na ẹ̀wọ̀ hɔ ẹ̀nyẹ́ ma sẹ́m ẹ̀yẹ ọmọ àná ọmọ ti nsuo no ho asẹ́m wọ́n sẹ́
na o ti Ghana
mi wɔ Ghana ha
ọmọ yẹn bẹ galamsey nsuo yi mu nam we
ẹ̀nyẹ́ sẹ́ galamsey nsuo wọ́n sẹ́ mi yi nsuo baako specific ẹ̀mìrẹ́ a na yɛ mpam wɔ biara ɛna yɛ pam amanfoɔ no so saa nsukorɔ na nso ne state na ɔma hene me ne wɔ ha nyinaa megye sɛ mo kamera si kɔ ɔma yi mu nyinaa yɛmusa sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛsi galamsey ano yi yɛnim hwee koraa no sɛ obi te kaa mu firi ha Kumase no wɔkɔ nkran ha no wɔkɔ Kumase a wohu nsuo ɛda kwa mu hɔ ɛno deɛ nsɛ sɛ wɔkɔ baabi ara ɔkɔ bisa ɛte sɛn nsuo na ɛda biri mu sɛ dɛ ɛte sɛn
besa ba so wadaroma
asɛm bi wɔ hɔ
wadaroma ba hu sɛ wo pɛsɛ oyi ano
yes
many honorable
detail
but yɛntie quickly response about because no many be the from mama say yɛnya nkyerɛmu film quick minister education oni ɔman oni agyebere di nkɔmɔ quick yɛnkɔmra
Good morning.
Pastor Apom ti sɛ
Nyamiado.
Where the say yɛnya krataa bi banteɛ ne sɛ woni ɔman nim but quickly a person ka wotimi boy na wode nkyerɛmu kakra ɛtimi de man deɛ di kan krat
Sɛdeɛ ohu Yawada president de ɔman mu kasaeɛ no efiada ɛna ɔne meka president ho ne free Ghana ɛne minister for bi ɛne ɛde ani kɔkyerɛ Scotland university bi wɔ hɔ ɛfɛ no St Andrews, probably the oldest university in UK. Na president kokasa homo. If free on the ne enura najo. Ebe drew Norway president, Norway abaya to South Africa president. Ti anope ni ebu abo e hu se de you go jam president ni nako.
Well, the other top mountain say ene wanya a year scholarship every get fund secretariat e de akodi nim de ento aso. Enya nko onu nua bi mu a mo emrahye bedwam. Na esi ni sen ana utimi enya sa facility no knowing perfectly baby awote any hu sunsanso emrafem.
Medamase. Me jiri se jame boada mbedru Ghana. Sa asebo ya abei. Ebedi hu komo bebre. Na litite man se nyame adom free infisia mpimienu ani do swap na nado danko akufado ye be minister. Empese holiday club intiminya na otwimienu ntoaso na menya kwai akoye se master's degree o se PhD o se bebisa na asem no nokre bi anim meje me betina aban anamu tsana na do anamu Ministry of Education menko bia be bia gba kwa mehweso get fund enko ji sika se we dey call school akusua de enye nokre mako school awie me ya banjuma me coaches adibia free get fund my na nokre wo be say efie mpemienu editu na yeni aban mu ewo parliament inya invitation free Harvard see monsieur ade na otwemiensa yeti permission of parliament get fund sponsor nyame nko na so the make no uhwa ade a uhwe numbers yi kra ade aba yi bi free ni atru bi the osia wasa no ati ade pa enye no kra 2014 asem I hon character gina ho na enwanwa se baby asem di fi no the ba enya be sinkodwa ni akire a free 2017 we koji get fund sika I'm a Minister of Education, Diakobia. Everywhere in Ukraine, since 2014, no, Mashebijum, Harvard, Tunis, Afra, same in Peace Academy, and the Awachimians, and my get funds sponsor me.
Well, did you all kind of say, Bra Unyasa a year Aquaniano, now on Mashibijum 2014, and I'm
2014.
I would G penny now would say Quan free Mashibijum.
Pachoai.
Na a year Unqua and I said Mudoso.
And you mean Quantum Coy, na Sabi, when you uncanny Muntin can Bubu be dependent BD and Kahun. The B are Nisika free get fund, the BG free National Health Insurance Fund, the being a Kuchini, Union Scandal Coy, and Yamin Quantum Coy, and Yamin Quantum Macubida, MP4 Bibrico, Oboka, of which Srisika baby, of Fusu Benjamin, Numdiaco.
Na $12,000 in Kwana allowance, na 7,000 tuition.
Pacho Cano, omit fan to ja, and Yanocre. So they make if we try to track your craft and just a craft and first cash, so will be night trust at 12,000. Now, what you mean, sir, be a versus in the same name, a buying. Get from who took on our rate or the more. She saying you versus now buy bit be amount now, what you mean, sir, 12,000. A woman could school cry be a 12,000, and me, what about me 12,000, and Yanocre.
Well, any better try my man Penyaba, I'm saying the neighbors who deal until buy the NCR may be who be ano, you may see Kunyana anywhere in Comodas and a place where Jibril now Yakasa. Okay, so other subsequent ministers is where bomb so the responsible a brainty a hold on for now. Now, education minister, or superintendent over that a year funding, you know, the first clarification. But quick one, Baba Jamal say, please correct Hajide on the issue of the black sheep to say is white sheep. I never said so, and NDC never said so, but it is MPP who concocted the story on me. All the information they gave at their press conference addressed by Akomia and Sir John were verified by BNI and found out to be untrue. Please correct that impression. So that impression is corrected. Information ministry
information ministry any papa ko na adwuma ho enkutia nim ne wura no credit ba ko pe ade a yeken eyeni a amanfo twe o kano na amanfo etwen gu efidie so a omodi ba bonten
but o say no credit yem fa de
waka me no eni anya nia ebia naifo anase press conference asem na me kan me see eni a information officers na oni omodi nkomo record wu a omodi ba bonten wasem na me kan Entino, okoka black and white sheep na goats to cow no so one there ana different matters yana. But you see, assembly there, na ebi na yeti hu sesi a wa ye hu interview no ebi na me so me nua eken. Assembly be crazy so. Me say MP because Ghana for no sebi o. Ye nia refesa, ye kai papa. Na assembly be crazy so. Wa wo si abra ye sisi champagne. Na sign fine no eye dwuma won show
but nsu nani ati
na nsu ni
say adanse ani peti odi
na me ka say wasema ye ka kire wo a wofa wuti anope a wo sebi o Ghana ni a wani ti a wani da ho a wo ti asase mi wo ankasa wo se shamfan yen sizi wo se excavators na ye sizi excavators mo ma penso na ye sizi excavators na shamfan ni sin nsuo no so etutututu no enu no momo no na ye tumi sign nsuo no na ye sizi shamfan and now, yes, is excavators in India. Is you no, after they are say, I will see Kofu Dima dance here. And then you buy another drunk or buy it.
But oh, how? If so, this is you know, moon, my moon, a can't say, yeah, but try what I know there, you say, yes, so. Let me tell you, what can Missy what can it try? One ma a dance, dear Bakukura say, what can it try? And I'm a palm croffer, and I'm a more what can it try? A busumekakasa. Enya dia obia wo ye diligent e serious e be fa ne serious ade a ye kan yamfa dance die wo kan tra mimitie mi galamse a ye kan kra mi gold mi hu bi powder but wo de ye nyina afra baby mi free ye mi hu mi fa mani kra hu gold kra da wa kan tra enti enya dia wo se ye fa nya asem o wonjina so papa bia former member of parliament wonimu se yetumi boni wo honti na yetudi otumi kase asimesi ni obinti eye ne galamse wo ha but me asema America ne se nana do baaye ene yetumi di nkola over 4,000 eko ntitiye wo suapom mutakwa omudi no se omobeye mining hu nim de papa no maye e de no mutumi ye fa ho ena ye kase
ye di drone nanu ya ye kochi galamsey yes a China for no bi ka ho e wo western region forest bi mu
ekona jimu nsimana
debi ekono tio galamsey no e multi-dollar industry entino enya dia wo betumi asori prekupe another yenti kromo ha yakofa China for free China ebetina kromo ha omabegidin ye chi wo mana ya ja wo na omasa go back ye chi wo mana ya ja wo until it became an industry like that who be quentia want to mean sorry prekupe because people across the chain have been compromised until ubeto ubu nkakra na make na say ene ye training crofo ya form community mining gangs yama over 300 concessions ya emebunu eyejuma legally ye deploy technology ye di drone any softwares obi tini dem wo fly drone na wo hwemfo ni eno na bu aya ye kochi galamsey yes e wo forest bi mu bibisa say NDC for penso e den no mutumi ye na mini uka say yeti 80 mining districts NDC for penso den na no mutumi ye fa sade hu e na ye ka say ye jijiji excavators ye sisi excavators e wo mu say excavators no ho aba asema ye say bi no mu ye nyanhui but at least that is a movement forward muma penso no mutumi makwan na excavators no ko efem ko tu assassin issue munye mu demonstration mu demrefem edaaye ye no we are taking the bull by the horn enti ye say ye ban galamsey a nia minu e kan o see videos no like e bia videos no wo na no dia yi na wo hwe me wo videos wo ho a uba Ministry of Information ye ba ma wo videos ya e kire sena Ghana yensuo tie e wo muma penso and then mesa mau evidence of near water research for wo research on my as far as the turbidity of the river bodies are concerned over the years a quiet time when mercury dosun e wo yensuo mu time nsuo no ye acidic and omo tabuleti water research for na ye ho hihye ya e da ho upa me yibi amau na wa kenkan ube wonu ni sebi o enye nia woni aketiwa ebe kwakoye propaganda ewo nsuo bia no e na sebi ube gina radio so uye ni sa anase tv uye ni sa otube dedi because no credit e ba kope wofa galamsey engine semye galamsey ko no se mesi enye ekun ye dia na meboa eye kun ye de ne papa because eye sika ho asem e na ye ka but abai no eye committed the president is committed ye guso aye na me no last week ye koche outboard motors any speed motors
but your commitment is doubtful
your
commitment is doubtful
and numbers of kind of radio so what you mean minister mu ya na wonu ati committee se mun koye djuma na wo san fe chire se police for me nkrofo a me meti wo so munye djuma munye hwehwemu a wo be won se wanya ban papa bi a wo se etan na chi
mu chairman se minister baka
enye nkataso so aban no enye nkataso emumueso aban no enye NDC for na ka se yenkoye investigation MPP aban no na ye investigation eno hwe yentumi ka na se MPP wo hoyi oboni for ba kokura nim sa na yentumi ka na se NDC wo hoyi na nipa papa
so ba ko na ye adwuma
wo se mra na ye adwuma enu na ye difference between MPP and NDC na NDC wo fa me ye so say wo say no ye nipa papa mu se dan do so dia ba ko kakra bi wo NDC mu
emfa no me bribe me say
so na MPP so e bi obetumi anya ba ko mienu bia wo but wo se mra na ye adwuma enu na ye difference no
okay we na wo kind of minister na we na dance so take committee no e ko wusi ya mu chairman wo say minister by two galamsey eno ye me
the minister ba na regulator
ko wusi ene lead omo a omo hwe galamsey hu ase
ebi mu wo ho mo nkrata enye wo na ogina ha tese ya wo se ebi mu
nkrata afi wa sa ten ne wa
anti minister ba nko an wo krata ho
no but who
wo ase o man ye hwe difference no minister nko aba de wo krata tie you wo ba Ashanti regional o man ye wo ni ze ma half ano no for kra na etu ska ibi o
kom bibria krata no o je ne bra na wa ban wo eno so
o man hene aka wono nko a ono nko na wo krata wo Ghana
me busa se eye de na
o man hene enye ba akofo na wo krata ye di tu ska wo man
eno tram se ye hwe se galamsey ya how dia you approaching with that perception you na hands will be on deck if you are comfortable
enu na ma Ghana fo nyina so
if we were
ba ye wie ye no o man ye wie ye no ye wie ye na ye si ye ko sa ko si no se ekwawusi wo mo achama na sem na
kono jina kwantia
wo se ne yete no ye wo mo nsem o emre no ya chinchim o mu nyina nsa na ye pem akɔhye ba bi ne kom ene busia o maji akoto excavators ya jig excavators no one number 2 ye mo o mu nsa nkotu nkrata ni nyina echi no ye wie ye no se wo papa ye minister dia wo krata wo kotu
okay
se wo wa ba mu a wo de wotimi kotu na Ghana fo omo de eye baba mama man reference bi say wo say me ba information ministry e na obema me nsu ahone ne ho ahon mi hia na dance o amanfo ne wo nkuru no so
okay omo nim de
omo na nim nti wo ko gina ba bi ko hunu so bi twa be si ho no na waka say no na ade ba eno na meti mu bu o mai de dada mo kan ko bi ankyere
ye record e wo ho
o mai ya we good e say ye do mai ma mo me kan ko bi ankyere
so Anope is a happy birthday Emmanuel we see you Image Enterprise a freestyle Jewata no hono sales executive no say Baba Mr. Emmanuel see you quick one minister there na kofa san komo we baby me
asem ni say
information minister Kojo Ponkomo has alleged that former president John Dramani Mahama together with former finance minister Sektekpe and the GIPC board distributed tax waivers worth millions of dollars to a chunk of Ghanaian companies without prior approval from Parliament while in power. According to him, these companies from 2015 to date enjoy free access to the port without fulfilling any necessary tax obligation. And I quote him, John Mahama, his finance minister, and then GIPC board sat down in a room with a long list of people who they felt like issuing tax waivers to. They gave them free access to the port. I have a tall list of those people, and I even mentioned their names on the floor of Parliament. So the discussion goes on and on and on. What's it about?
Etiamra, kesie papa di Ghana nya. Jese mi dakra mi dwene ho kra mi ntiase.
Aden.
Parliament pe ene wo tumi. Se etu a ye di tu ade so no. Wo mu betumi aka se ye ni nti no. Sa to yi de ye ma nia ye frɛ no poto kasa mu tax waiver. Ubeka ya ye Accra City Development Project bi na no yi. Kwan ya aban no a ye timra na se aban a ye wotima wo abada mu obuo edi ma ye mra pon constitution no. Ye fa so ni se ye commercial be dwefie. Ekosre ye ema marche be dwafo ti ase se project no eno won faso edi ma Ghana fo. Etinu parliament engineer ni tumisu no waive tax sana ye no. NDC for any Mr. Mahama there, womo tina dem, womo yi parliament esinchen, womo di womo pe, na womo yi company say we dey won tua to millions of dollars yet to me school, yet to me the chichikro amane ye, yet to me the year hospital, yet to me the kuntia galamse, yet to me the pejuma e dia mebuno. Ye see we dey achew fa. Parliament enim ho hwe, ye nka ho hwe. 2 minu ya ji afri parliament sem ye di share wo mampanyin eni ni finance minister botom sadi wo se Ghana for ye sorry waka na ye nkasantia ye sika na ye sisa na da nkofo okra na wo se ye ji because a parliament am wevu tax ya wo se utua obi ani satu wo yo mampanyin nua wo emfa ho company ni bi kura ye si ye wo mampanyin busuafo dada no Mr. Mahama
ye see they are so fanya adwuma
ministers
or tallest,
but
you see the member of Fanyejuma.
Okay, me see.
Yeah. So see, and what does it?
Oh, baby, Baba. I will how much member companies need to grow a cement company. Me too, me trace you. Your money tax waiver. Until no idea yet parliament to me can ebia. Na ebia trimupono crano, ebia na trimupono cry. But trimupono ya 2 million wudia. Eye parliament ne what's to me no wo wafa to me no we onim ne nti a ye chichiri ye mra ne saa wo be kai ebas asema ye si ademudie gie be mo ye si government official 1 intermediary 6 abesi na ye hwehwe government official 1 no ya hwe ya ne nti a ye chichiri sa ye mra no saa ne se ya hwe ya nipa ba ko mienu bi betina dem na ya frew asema si bra wo de tuo na wo se wutua no $12 million, $20 million. ne mumi wontua wo de ma ye $5 million pe se nipa no so oye businessman a man wo pe esikenti no wo be gya to man kai wa wonji ntomu enu ntina ye ne se ende yenko mahye bedwem na ye ndi hum abobo na adwen wo mu na se wo ne wo minister epe etina demu a na mo hwe mo ye tollis asimesi bra wo bintim bra asimesi bra wo de wontua wo de what were again the come considerations ben and na mo ye ya maybe nana company a ordinary way body e wo me class wo volta there onu de otua tax.
Okay, mama no why is I don't know mine no ye do baby a asumesi e na okoka na akotwe obintin so de aba no so abeka. How do we progress? Because sometimes me bisa mo say NDC ni ho MPP di NDC mfun so me ye beba be kire MPP so NDC beba omo so kobo omo chem so omo so the NDC MPP mfun so ba so it circles. We are not moving forward.
Why we
doing that? Why?
Maybe more officially one your main issues no afọ no no fufu nyina hwe me cha
obesa kwa na
sisemi na me candidate ho
na candidate
and I shall return nyame adum nti baso nti omo amoma me kwa ma me ba besom omo no mancha omo a enye yi ti me de nchia kese pa e de momo eni die ne ahobrasem no kremu ene ahofama mu a ye de som omo no eye nsesan ba edumre bi a na nipa wadwe ye o se ye but eboa mani petimi asese
obi na said do test ya
microphone na what is we
wanya de
o ahopopo amamuo no saa be ye saa nti na mu nya pi no
unka ite obi
ya se ne se na wan cha obi a you don't meet anybody
let's start with that was introduction no come kind me introduce you utie come say afia ye sha se official they say ochia
they don't listen omuntie no ma babontie ni abeka kasa sa na mo ye misleading president nyina no of information ministry
no be fair to him
obedu ha no we forgetting in crofo no nkromo no ba ni wie ya afi na obi asem
ye bo nkro bo na chi no official
agide honorable and some I be kan nie
o de ka wasa
afi
de se ye ka wo de omo betu ama current MP na IMPP
omo hene en sisamba edumre bi a wa ye sisan wo no anhwe ya na wanhwe na anya wo de na unyame nyansan mu no oye saa de no sebe ya de ogina nchen na no gbegbegbegbegbe ti san MPP fu aban ya na tisu yi a ye hu kotoku na de bo asem nei no na aboa na me da omase ene ya ndisi for sa adma bra omu yi me da ahobrase ekoso asra omu sa ahobrase a me de sum omu no ene pepa na ahofama no omu nsan fa me mra 2020 yi na 2021 7 January yeso mi ina impuntu ni nyuma na ekoso afo ano no ye be say hu biu o ma hene ma membra ansemi so won se wa hwe niema a ekoso wo o my Ghana mu enne na o trans din na hwa edumre bi a eya na mebusa se MPP aban na ana na adoda nkwa kufu adoda no bibi no mo de aye Ghana fo
sese bibi ti sese
anti enyema nyina nye o ma hene but I say ne kanu ye sene ye se ye kanu no ye kokro mu bi obi antumi nka na wuti wonu ma na o mu di bone bi gidigidi na o kan asem a nya a cheda akofa asem bi nya de abebom
say na me share me come as me dey to aso
yes nya de abebom o meyi
but he's speaking to the issue what minister kasa
on se ne tie no o meyi enyema nyina nye de o wia excavator wia de o ma na yira yira omo wa ban mu omo ye galamsey ye mo kan then they go and break something like this say mama the tax waiver e di ama obi o man ni yem fa no say we ene me no wo kasa yi opon koma na de na asema ba beto abonte ebi ne no ogu so o kan official wan ne ho anhwa ne ade di mfie ho anhwa ni omu ti aban mu ndimi hwehwe hu ne bepem ne yewu o ho atra o mu di bu Ghana man ye ne bre ne ye kan nsem a bone omu di a emu o man ni bu a na omu di asem bi abebom official wan yi won be press conference say they know omu kwaji document ni di ne mra omu anatia na omu bo omu sem na omu kan nsem enti da bia ye de asem foforo ba ye discuss mama o man ne ye de oman no ahye omu nsa enne state institutions ni nyina ewo omu nsam we ehia opon kroma ne press conference o
nyanya press conference
or release ana interview ansana we wo mu wohwehwemu a wo matumi aye ka wo ba yi no ensem bi afa ne be so investigations are going to conduct and one ade no kan ne keda wo yi eda ho gba na mo kan kire ye because mo sorry official one twi media houses ni nyina ko gina ba bi eye dede na be pem na o ma hene busa no wana ti hai information ministry no free ba ede asam no mo enti dede no kasa dodo no entoponko Ghana for say aduane ni ye table so sika ebi nse ye botom enne so obi hu ya gisa haji enen in ministers 120 hwani no ene o mampanyin ne nkofo omo kwa na omo to omo nti ubuso omo se Ghana te san no omo gina ba bia omo se Ghana for ye ho ye se ne o mampanyin ko gina mrase bedwamu a o se Ghana for ye ho ye obia botom ye ye didi ye ye ho atoye no. That is not the case. Enti kasa bebrebe no ne release no ya bre.
Okay.
So obi aye boni a momfa mra court no ne
even with this
institutions
one,
no
even with this tax waivers, I think it's a memory seven writer. If indeed they fall under free zones there, free zones for a certain writer which does not necessarily allow the company to pass through the process to pass through.
When baby omudi make up.
Me not sure of what is, but I know under free zones almost threshold. I me train. I mean, we hear massive train. We are minister now.
What do you pay? What you know? Who are including the cameramen?
Who do you mean? Me say me kai say free zones for the same. Now almost threshold. Now that threshold no untimi exceed. Who fall under free zones, sir? You don't go through parliament. I stand to be corrected. It is a make when I was with the Moya. Yeah.
Sudden education and correction because you are absolutely wrong on that matter.
Yeah.
But yeah, or me do when say what the topic am I?
Yeah.
What kind of tin?
Yeah.
We see and discuss it.
Yeah.
When we see it in chain. But cooktie asemo aye ken kra no won ka ho asemo kra e na oni number bi wuti
wonti asia ko weni ha won ambi before won ti Ghana ha bi won ti ba bi foforo
entino ni ti bi say enti wo ni o kan sesia no is it to understand
o si the state of the nation o man fanya nkoka
de kasa mu enti asense saa nyoma we amoko kamo asemo a na makotwe nyoma we aba no mo na mo aba mu ana montu bi ese mutu fa onde enye mra kwa
entino onuru a woti ha onu ye mrahwe bejani a wo ye mra se tax waiver no parliament pe ene betumi ayi tax waiver
ede asem we ede na man ye no kre ena afi na mbedi say ede na man mbedi say ede na man we ye no kre enti na make say say you only bring issues na mo dey abeg disable system no
kwa na me ka say afi wo say wonim na da hoyi me see wo di asem ni to ono kwa no wonu his appreciation of nia wo di ba me say enye no kre
but with the conversation what have no
nti bisa me say
why do you pull these things when your government is under siege? Why?
Omo a yensisa ewo omo ho.
Yeah.
Insisa etumi si school ewo wu krase. Insisa etumi peja kuro etumi chichiko. Sika twitwi di ho asem na ye kan o. Ewo say etumi gi yensisa. Enu nti na wo say ye discuss.
But say must more embark on same exercise. Ebi that parliament.
Ebi that me see
when they want to equalize. No. But we want to grab money.
More embark on the same exercise, going through parliament to get the consent of parliament for mampaying the young course na down for Maru Fiba. So what I say? We are worried. You are engaging on this $23 million tax exemption. Is that the case?
Me see.
Modiano. Who because a go through?
Me see.
Is that the case?
Is that the case? Tax waiver yet to me ma.
Obianka
correct. Why who fast woman tax waiver no? And noon na me ye can want them.
Okay.
And na me see.
It's all quite with the
court to dance.
Me say no quite.
What to me?
We no and na me see. Kwan no e da ho. Na wo yi fa kwan ntia wo ye wo bokro no. Enu nti na traffic light so wo say wo gina. Wo define tepe ye chiu.
That you.
And na make say we mu de wo ma fa traffic light nchen. Adentina Mahama ni nkrofo wo ma nko ma hye bedwe fie e no mu koji tumi say mata fever mu friend nkrofo no tina dem nsi say be no mu ye ya mu mata fever no the people of Ghana want the answers.
Your ministry should just tell us those
na ye wo mu ye me tonight yo see consideration dina so amahama wa o mata favors no
o man won asem na me ka so
onu na baba ya no
so mo te won na in state of the nation o man panyin say corruption meku corruption yin so bia what in ho ibo no na bobo na guo
oh David na ye ka corruption
o man panyin say Ghana for yesika sem eye yesika sem ko asay
for the kukomunko
we no a
David e ka ho ne dia ko
na corruption na do salam say asem da ho omo a
what ho na no pupu na menim da say he hesitated
mo kasa but ye won empirical corruption egu ho
mampanyi eya no na no ye ne na enye woni so different
me say o hesitate ye bisa say have you been corrupt
obisa say me as me John Mahama and me as president
what's wrong with difference when a
but there's a different John Mahama and there's a different president.
Oh, now corruption is in public life.
And I maybe so I say me buy mampanyi and I was my
now you confused oil minister who corruption na ye can president
honorable minister oni ade wan ko betima ka say John Mahama ye corrupt me minim say na na do dan ko akufu ado ye mampanyi
president ya mutu abama no aye bisa no direct question say have you been corrupt no hesitate say enye wo fere enye woni wo say who Ghana mampanyi pa
there was $800 million
are you asking
now was your dad no lawyer
we discussing my
yeah that bonti paper na that bonti obi
he never said so
no
as a deputy information
no
misrepresentation
Omahene chawade
what problem with the response we can have a conversation but don't say at the end na say
Omahene ye kwa bato na John Mahama ene na na dan kwa kufu ado mienu ene ekọ apere wa bato ebetu enti den na ado aye ye corruption president aye enti empe bi mfa ma John Mahama enu bi no mo ye ba ma me chawade o wa marriage na o mampanyi sign $800 million
corruption man
o we I was misled
corruption man
wo de ho yaw ekoyi ajakun adi kwa
corruption
what ifie it's a serious corruption as a yatu atwini because atu atwini because fadino to Ghana folks o ma atwini because
intermediary because
one person will be
government official one ever
look at that is that a name they make them so mampanyi sign a marriage deal my body aka the kro was I was misled
corruption be na wom
say say be na wen
na just say you parliament ya and the corruption
you were caught and they say remind the aba say you want me say I'm sorry and mo camera see and I say my microphone me for back to say moto mi wia wo be timi am say ji wade say sana kro no aye yanchi wo say
you were parliament na mo withdraw bill bi ada
o mampanyi assign say mo